Hey guys, I'm in Chinese class right now, but I'm gonna do an unboxing video today of Nature Valley.
I say we should go like. What do you want me
Okay, as you can see, this is it. It's pretty good. It might be melted. Oh, see, there's a multicolored, so like for every race, you know. So some 140 calories.
We should go on a date.
Oh no, it might be a little melted. Hold on.
Say stuff in nature in Chinese, how to say tree in Chinese.
That would be nice.
We should do that.
Alright, so as you can see, it's metallic on the inside, so it's that's how you know it's like some quality wrapping.
Flower in Chinese,
Alright, so there's the barcode to show you that I purchased it.
We should do it today.
But yeah, this is it. Looks really good. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Look at that. There's, you can see chocolate chunks in there.
Yeah,
There's pieces of oatmeal, and there's even a peanut, like a little surprise for your mouth. So 140 calories of just pure goodness. So thanks for joining me today, guys, and I'll see you next time.